similar situation to a baby. So you want to get their toothbrush, you want to give them a clean first. You want to encourage them that it's 2 minutes twice a day as we're brushing our teeth. What I do with my little boy is I brush his teeth first. You're going around in the circular motions, making sure you're getting over all the surfaces, and then I let him know that it's now his turn to have a turn at brushing his teeth. I make a game out of it, so we'll sing songs while we're doing it, making it a positive experience and just engaging them and introducing things earlier the better. So I started introducing floss as soon as my child's teeth were touching. Flossing is very important for our teeth, as our toothbrush can brush our teeth, but there is about 30% that our toothbrush won't get, so we really need to be flossing in between teeth that are touching. So I actually get these little toothpicks that have the floss in between them, and I get in there and I give it a floss, and Harley now flosses his own teeth as well, and he's 2. So I just think earlier the better, earlier introduction the better, making it a fun game and making sure that they're enjoying it so that it's setting them up for a lifetime of good oral health.